think I want to hear some keys. Come on, Roger.
Wonderful evening lined up for you at Viva La Diva Festival 2013. To introduce the evening, would you please welcome back once again on stage here, Boisdale's patron of music, Mr. Jules Holland.
Well, to be uninitiated in the ways of jazz and lovely music, you may be a little worried. What are you going to see? New artists? How do I respond? Is it going to be dangerous? Well, the answer to all these questions is, of course, it's simply going to be really enjoyable because the Boisdale tonight has selected some absolutely wonderful and brilliant, talented women to perform for you. So, I think we're going to start off with the first three really marvellous performers. Please welcome Cat Delphi.
This is a song. It made me cry so good. Now that it's done, I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I will tell you what. Now I go for that. And you're
Please welcome Miss Jessica Sweetman.
He's been seeing what I'm searching for. This is what he casually said. Oh, your love it happened so fast that you hear it hurts and so sad. Your love it can be a blast when I'm not driving it.
Many times before I have enjoyed this artist. She has a fantastic voice. The band make me want to dance. They have the magical element which is almost impossible to put your finger on, only by listening and enjoying. Can we really welcome and big up? And more often we don't often have the person's parents in the room, so before we go any further, let's have a big round of applause for the person's parents. Huge welcome for travelling this incredible mammoth distance from Daventry today, and more importantly, for giving us Sarah Spade!
There's a boy next door, doesn't know what it means to me. He got everything I want, he got everything I need. He don't know just what it means to me. He can't see
couldn't help but notice, looking around, seeing in the windows there, that this is a bit like the set from a very glamorous James Bond film set somewhere really glamorous. Would you agree? Yes, but we're all in it. Oh, it's fantastic, acting like grown-ups at last. So, the next artist we have, or I should say the first artist of this half, is a fantastic singer. You can see her every Thursday here at the Boisdale if you want to come back. She has a wonderful voice and an amazing band. So please prepare yourselves and give it up in the biggest possible way for Lizzie Dean.
I remember that song that I needed. Brand new horizon on my wish list. So I fell into your arms and surrendered to those charms that I could do. Quite like you. But the law of attraction don't lead to perfection. We open our hearts and the demons start to hide. Loving you, now it ain't easy, but we're gonna see this through, even in the battles. We're gonna love that's true. You and I were meant for life together.
Let's talk about our next artist for a moment. A person who's been #1 in the charts, has written great songs, has sung with Eric Clapton, Jimmy Ruffin, Elton John. She is an amazing voice, and she is here now in this room with us. Yes, timing is everything, and we have that off to a T. Are you ready then, ladies and gentlemen? I said, are you ready? Then please big it up for the wonderful Marcella Detroit.
If this world is wearing thin and you're thinking of escape, I'll go anywhere with you. Just wrap me up in chains. But if you try to go alone, don't think I'll understand. Oh, stay with me. Stay with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to welcome you back to this fantastic evening of extraordinary female singers. The next person that I'm going to introduce to you, I first saw with Paul Weller, and I thought she was so fantastic. Then I saw her on a show of her on her own, and she was even more fantastic. And then I was very fortunate because she came out with my big band and sang some songs with us. And seeing her close up is just like being next to a nuclear reactor. She is just wonderful. Are you ready then for our final guest of this evening? Please welcome to this stage, Carleen Anderson.
To be